Masked Self-Portrait by Audrey Buttigieg Cardona. You'll need paper, pencil, markers or colored pencils. Fold the paper about 1/3 of the length of the paper from the bottom. Draw half of your face above the line, showing your eyes, eyebrows, nose bridge and hair. Draw the rest of your face under the line, showing the mask, chin and neck. Open the paper and draw the rest of the face, this time without a mask. Draw what makes you happy, like music and singing. Make sure that what you draw inside is not visible when the flap with the mask is closed. Make a mark so that you know where you need to stop. Color in your self-portrait inside and out. Use a black marker to go over all the outlines. The completed masked self-portrait. Tra-la-la! You can also color your self-portrait with markers. Thank you for watching. Original music by www.bensound.com.